Hi, grade one. Yesterday we were drawing circles and counting with our hands to find the answers, and today we're going to be drawing circles because what we're doing is going to be kind of tricky if we don't. So, drawing will help us with word problems. There are 3 red apples and 1 green apple. So, let's draw 3 red apples. Bet you didn't know I was so good at drawing. And 1 green apple. And the total is how many apples? 4. So these are the parts, 3 and 1, for 4 altogether. But of course, really, when I say draw 2 red apples, I don't actually want you to draw apples. It's much easier to draw circles. So 2 red ones and 5 green ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It doesn't look like red ones and green ones. So if you just color in my 2 red ones, does it matter that it's not red? No. And I'm not going to color these ones in. Does it matter that it's not green? No. Because we can still see 2 red and 5 green. How many altogether? 7. Okay, we have 7 apples, 3 are red. We need to find out how many apples are green. How do you figure that out? Well, first we have to know that we have 7 apples altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I know that 3 of them are red. I could color them in red, but I have a pencil, so I'm just going to color them in with my pencil. 3 of them are red. So how many of them are green? Well, these ones that I haven't colored in are green. If you don't believe me, look. 3 of them are red, and 4 of them are green. I don't actually have to color them in those colors to see that. Still 4 green ones. Still 3 red ones. Okay? So, we had 7 apples. 3 of them were red, which means these 4 are green. I have 8 apples. So you better make 8 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 of them are red. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many of them are green? 2. All right, I'm going to draw some 6 apples. First, I have to drag them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 apples. 1 of them is red. Bing! How many of them are green? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose I have 7 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 of them are red. 1, 2, 3. 4 of them are green. 1, 2, 3, 4. You could turn that into a number sentence. Do you know how to turn that into a number sentence? That's pretty teeny tiny. 3 red ones and 4 green ones equals 7 altogether. These are the parts. This is the total. We always can tell which ones are the parts because they're going to be smaller. The total is always going to be the biggest number when you are adding. So 3 and 4, 3 and 4, those are the parts. This is the total. There are 7 apples. 3 are red, 4 are green. In total, you have 7. These are the parts that make up the total. See, they're smaller. There are 8 apples. Altogether, that's the total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 apples. What they don't say, and you should think of in your head, there are 8 apples in total. 2 are red. 1, 2. How many are green? 2, 4, 6. Total, part. There are 5 red apples. There are 2 green apples. How many apples are there in total? Well, we don't know. They haven't told us. We have to figure it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's make our red apples gray. 5 red apples, 2 green apples. These are the parts. The total is all of them. How many apples in total? 7. There are 6 red apples. There is 1 green apple. How many apples altogether? Altogether, that's our total. So these are the parts. 6 red ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1 green one. I could just color in the green one. 6 red ones, 1 green one. How many apples altogether? That's the total. The total is all of them. 7. These are the parts. 6 and 1. Oops. There are 6 apples in total. I'm just going to borrow these. 4 are red. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are green? I hope you know. Okay, we are going to be doing 3 pages on page 107. You have to figure out the total. They are giving you the parts. So 2 red ones, 1, 2. 2 green ones, 1, 2. You can color in the red ones so you know they're red. 4 altogether. Okay, 3 red ones, 1 green one. How many altogether? So color in the red ones, add the green ones, tell me how many altogether. Page 108. There are red and green ones. So you have to draw all the apples first. 5 apples altogether in total. 3 apples in total. 6 apples in total. 5 apples. There are 5 apples. There are 4 apples altogether. All of it means you're going to start with 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're going to color in the red ones. 4 of them are red. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you have 1 green apple. And on the next page, you know what they're going to do, mix them up. There are 5 red apples and 2 green apples. You have to find the total. There are 6 apples altogether, so you have to draw 6. Color in the red one. See how many green ones. Okay? Good luck with that.